I'm just walking to the mechanic. I'm picking up my car, so I just decided to live stream. Yeah. Let me turn the camera around for a second. See if I can. There you go. There I am. Yep. Just getting maintenance done on my vehicle. Jim, I never seen you. I guess you're a subscriber. I never seen your name pop up before. Thanks for stopping by. Let me turn this around. All right. So God forbid if I get hit by a car, you guys will be my witness. Nah, we don't want that. Oh man, you know, this is good exercise. This really bothers my ankle when I do these walks because I had a serious injury back in 2008, and my ankle has not been the same. It really sucks. So, you know, thanks for stopping by. I just decided to live stream. I was like, what the heck, I'll just live stream. Yeah, that's true. People will watch anything nowadays. Yep. So this is the Bronx right here. Jim, where are you at? Are you at New York or what state? Huh. Let me cross the street. Watch the bodega. Oh my goodness, you in Iowa? I used to live in Iowa. I lived in Iowa. I used to live in North Liberty, Iowa. I lived in Iowa City. I lived in Coralville. That's awesome. I lived in Iowa for 10 years. Wow. What part of Iowa? Oh man, this is good. Good exercise, man. Yes, I am doing it live. You know, fixing the car costs a pretty penny, but you got to get it done. It's kind of like child support. That's your baby right there. Oh, by Council Bluffs, okay. Uh-oh. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so I'm getting my struts taken care of. I'm getting my headlights replaced to updated headlights because the headlights that I have on, they're really old, amber looking, really faded looking. So I told the mechanic that I want to get the headlights replaced with higher power lights. So he told me he's gonna go ahead and put the highest power lights that he can without blowing the circuit in my car. I was like, okay. Whew. This is, like I said, this is good exercise. Gets my heart going. You know, I've been driving all my life. Well, ever since I became an adult. 19. I've been driving since the age of 19, and forget about it. All right, so gotta be careful with this. Crossing the street right here. Let me see if well, I guess so. They gotta give me the right of way. I'm a pedestrian, so not passengers, pedestrians always have the right of way. Yeah, not those blinding LEDs. You know what? I think that's what he's putting on. That's what he told me. He's gonna give me the the high power LEDs. As long as they work, I'm happy, you know. I need some really powerful ones, because the ones that I have now pretty much suck. They don't like anything. I have an older car, you know. My car is 18, I think 18 years old now. Wow, it's a teenager. Well, now my car can vote. Not drink yet though. Watch this. I'm gonna show you something. Watch this. Check out this van. Check out this van that got caught on fire. Look at this. I told the mechanic, "Are you fixing that?" You know, I'm just messing with him. Check this out. Alright. I gotta get this on video. Look at this. It was so hot that it melted the ladder. Look at that. The whole thing got burnt. I don't know what the heck happened. Look at this. Oh man, it stinks. Yeah, it smells really bad. Kind of smells like smoke, fire, and wetness, like a wet building that was just turned off. My goodness. The guy just was looking at me recording here. Look at that. Wow. My goodness. Look how the seat melted. Alright guys, so this is the mechanic shop that I'm at. I'm gonna let you guys go so I can go make my payment and pick up my car. Yeah, I hope so too. I really hope so too. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Looks like 2 of you tuned in, so let me turn this around. Boom. There you go. Guys, yep, you too, Jim. Take care. Be safe. Look around, like I always say. Pay attention. God bless.